In this short tutorial, I will show you how to avoid highways on iPhone maps. Sometimes, you may want to take a different route that doesn't include highways, maybe because you prefer a more scenic drive or want to avoid heavy traffic. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, and then scroll down until you see Maps. Tap on it. After that, scroll down again, and you'll see a section called Directions, and in that section, you'll see an option called Driving. Just tap on it. Now in the Avoid section, you'll see the Highways option. To avoid highways on Apple Maps, simply toggle on this switch over here. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.